the perception would be that billions of dollars make bigger moves. And in theory, that's correct. But because the amount of money being moved is so large, the regulations, the steps that they have to take in order to take, step A, B, and C, and D to buy and or sell and to create the whole way that whole system is traded, I think puts an extreme amount of limitations on the moves of those monies. So because of that, I don't know that it's going to have as huge of an impact as people like to think. Because I know that us little guys who maybe, let's say we're moving $1,000 to $250,000 around at a time, which $250,000 is a lot, right? But not a lot of people are moving that much around. Think about it in the scale of tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of people who are moving extreme amounts of crypto quickly, dynamically through so many exchanges. I think because of the movement of the money, I don't know that the ETFs are going to have as big of an impact being traded as people think, because again, the steps they have to take to move the money on that scale is so small and the steps they have to take are so many. I think that might limit some of the impact.